Getting started on my personal transformation, number 2. Number 2 is about how will you know when you have it. We talked in number 1 about what is it that you want, and the question we're asking now is how will you know when you have it. Now, in preparation for this video, I thought I would do a bit of a Google search. So the question I put into Google was, how will you know when you have it? And I think you'll find the results very interesting. The first Google search revealed COVID-19. How will you know when you have COVID-19? Second was depression. Third was cancer. Fourth was diabetes. Fifth was Alzheimer's. And sixth was kidney disease. After 3 pages, there was an entry that said 9 signs that you are falling in love. But that was halfway down page 3. Now, this was actually very useful to me, although I hadn't expected it, because I thought, okay, what if you were looking for the signs of increased confidence, having a happier life, a greater sense of inner peace, a better relationship with a family member? Are you alert to the signs of those things, and are you checking for those things? Of course, I don't mean that you shouldn't be aware of the symptoms of COVID-19 or any other illness. But how much do you focus on that? How much do you focus on the signs that something is wrong compared with what's going well? So my suggestion is that you notice it, you list it, and you are grateful for it. And this, to me, is genuinely what I think personal transformation is all about.